Welcome back to yet another video, and making it in the mix today is young donor mom Cheryl, as she tells her followers about her emotional battles and the professional support that she and her son needs. She explains that it's available in the UK. She spoke about what she and her son went through in the last 5 years, and that she thinks that there was an attempt on her life, as she has seen lights shining through her windows and heard a bike leaving her home back in Jamaica. She explains that not everything good for eat, good for talk, but her son is not settled as yet. And she explains that she did not have any financial problems in Jamaica, and that's not the reason for her leaving. But she left for the well-being of her son. She spoke about the professional needs that's available in UK and explains that Jamaica lack resources, although her intentions are not to put the system down. She had to leave because her son's safety was her main focus. She explains that she is grateful for her sisters and everyone that has helped her throughout her endeavors. Now stay tuned for the stories in details, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
I grew up in the UK, so automatically it's good. You know what? I see people would comment that they're not happy. They wouldn't be happy coming to the UK. If they know what me and my boy been through for the last 5 years, they would just shut them out. Yeah. No one know what me and Donna have been through for the last 5 years. Yeah, man. Yeah, they don't know what me and my boy been through. Not because we don't talk everything, because it's not everything good for eat, good for talk. Yeah. But even now, my boy worried, and he's not settled as yet. He's not settled as yet, but in due time he will settle. Yeah. Before, not until next week, before we can actually go further. Thursday is the last of we cannot stay far. Yeah. So next week I will go down the right path for him, and it's not because of financial reason why I leave Jamaica. I have no financial problem. It's the well-being of my son. So people that talking rubbish, I have a successful business, so I can't believe you have the audacity, knowing what me and my son going through, and knowing that the best support is going to be in England. But you're small-minded people anyway. Lots of you that writing rubbish, and you just have to take time out to know what me and my son going through. I try fight it, and I thinking is enough is enough. My child is getting deteriorating because he's only young and he is allowed to be a child. So I'm doing this for my son. Yeah, my one and only son. And all the professional needs are here in England, and what the heck? This is the country where he comes from. He didn't come from Jamaica. So why should I put him through something that he don't deserve to be going through? Yeah. So he's here. Yeah, right in the UK. I don't do things to please anyone. I live my life to suit myself. So if I want to come back to the UK, I'm my business. If I want to sell up and don't go back to Jamaica, it's my business. I am free. I made my life for me. Yeah. And they don't understand in Jamaica, I'm not putting the system down, but the lack of lots of resources. And when the social workers look at me and said, oh, do not think we gonna fund protecting you and your son forever, that's when I think it's time for me to move. Yeah. I don't have to go into no more further details about that. We will reach that bridge one day. But they don't concern about women and kids in Jamaica. They're only concerned when they're dead. They don't concern about our safety. And I've gone through a few things in the last few weeks in Jamaica. But wake up, I hear bike leaving my house. I'm not saying nothing. I hear bike leaving my house. I see light shining in my yard, in my room, and I just don't say anything. Yep. I think there was an attempt on my life, and I didn't say anything. I just leave. Because as I said, Anna, everything good for eat, good for talk. Yeah. And I'll be so stupid that I can afford to pay the $200,000 to buy our ticket and stay in Jamaica and be killed. So I leave. So all these idiots that saying because I'm broke I go back to the UK, that's garbage. Because if you follow me, I know that I feed the homeless. I know say Una never see me short of anything for me and my son. Una supposed to know that. Una talking garbage. Because I get paid in US dollars when I conduct my business. So if you can't say anything, don't say anything. Yeah. I leave for my own safety. And England will look after us. Yeah. When a certain individual said to me that we cannot afford to keep you two, especially my son, protected. I am his mom. I have to ensure that his safety comes first. Yeah. So that's for one reason I'm not knocking my sister, because I was always worried to ensure that my mom was safe and gonna get looked after before I make my next step. Yeah. Last year I put the house up on sale because I was gonna put her at a place because I could not look after her for me and my son to move. So why this woman I choose to come here to come clean out her throat for? Yeah. So my sister, my two sisters, I'm grateful for them though. And I see people are right, say some of my family they don't like me. One of them right, they don't like me. I mean, no one they like me. When me young, I want them to like me, they never like me. So now that me a big old woman in my 50s, me care who like me, I don't care. No. I don't business. Me not eat none of them though. And if me go through certain emotional stress and them can't see that, I don't need them. And me can't stop Love City. No, I will never stop Love City because City are one of the friends we understand. Although sometimes they don't really understand what I'm going through. But I'm going through a lot of emotional things. Yep. And the support not at Jamaica. I'm not putting Jamaica down, but the support is not there. The professional support is not there. So that's for one reason why I leave. I'm not knocking Jamaica, but if for me and my son get the right counseling, we'd have to go into Kingston and start part with an awful lot of money. I will never put Jamaica down. There's just lack of certain resource. And it's here in the UK, so why not? I'm here. And I'm very happy to be here. Yeah. I am very happy to be here. And I have lots of friends that already reach out to me here. And I've seen so much love in the UK. It's unbelievable. You, my followers, you show me so much support, and I'm grateful for you. Yep. Yep.
There you have it, guys. The clip of Dwayne. Now go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share as well. Thank you.